On the 6th and 13th of October, the Public Accounts Committee will be scrutinising the accounts of Wales's independent commissioners. The Older People's, Children's and Welsh Language Commissioners will all appear before the committee to discuss their use of taxpayers' money in undertaking their important roles. Now, this is a new piece of work for the committee, and we'll want to find out how the commissioners achieve value for money in their work and who monitors them, effectively who watches the watchdogs. Are they as efficient as they can be? How are they able to cut back on their spending whilst continuing to defend people's rights? Given that they depend on the Welsh Government for their annual funding, how well can they really plan for the future? And can they really challenge the very ministers who hold their purse strings? You can watch proceedings as we ask these questions in the viewing gallery or live via Cenedlaethol TV. And feel free to tweet any comments that you've got to @CenedlaethPAC.